In this tutorial, let's learn how to connect an MQTT broker running on a Hostinger VPS to an external MQTTX broker. Okay, we will go through the setting up on like MQTT on VPS, configuring firewall rules for MQTT, and establishing a secure bridge connection to MQTT X. Okay. Okay. First, we need to create this root password. Okay, while installing like Ubuntu with Docker on this Hostinger. Okay, after that, okay, there are only three options to setting this one. Okay, after that, like we need to finish setup, and yeah, we need to go to this VPS dashboard. Okay, and then we need to run this commands. Okay, sudo apt update, sudo apt install mosquito clients. Okay, this is the command. Okay, after that, go to this browser terminal. Okay, and this is our IPv4 address. Okay, okay, we need to copy this, and okay, we need to paste it here. Okay, in host MQTT, and this is the IP address we got from the Hostinger. Okay, and like let's use this default port 1883. Okay, and we need to make few changes uh, in the config file, otherwise like this broker, it won't listen to the external broker. Okay, for that we need to make few changes in this config file. Okay, okay, we just like enter this command and just press enter. Okay, we need to add this here, listener 1883 4 zeros, allow anonymous true. Okay, after that press Ctrl O. Okay, enter, Ctrl X. Okay, that's it. After that let's okay, subscribe to this MQTT, subscribe, localhost, and this is the topic XYZ. Okay, before that let's connect to this IP address using this one MQTTX tool. Okay, click on connect. Like here I am not using any authentication, and also like I'm not using this SSL and TLS certificate. I'm just connecting this. Okay. Yeah, this is connected now, and here I will press enter. Okay, now our MQTT broker is waiting for the uh, like data. Okay, okay, hello India. Okay, this is the topic, and this is the JSON data. Okay, plain text, sorry. Okay, I just sent hello India. Okay, we just received from MQTTX broker to our VPS server, which is running on the Hostinger. Okay, that's it. Thank you.